for stopping by the channel to see what I'm doing here on the Johnson Ranch. In today's video, it's part 2 of my fall home decor playlist. This time, we're in my priceless kitchen. And you know, the fall playlist is called the Ambience of Autumn. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. I am Katrina. I'm a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. On my channel, I share home decor, tablescapes, cooking, cleaning vlogs, and shopping hauls. So to all of my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. And if you're new here, I invite you to consider joining my priceless family. All you have to do is like, comment, let me know you're new here, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload. So this is one of the items I shared in yesterday's mini shopping haul. If you missed that video, make sure to go back and check it out. Yeah, this is a sign to move that stove and that refrigerator because, yeah, you already see it. My oven was cleaned off camera. I will link my deep cleaning oven video below for your convenience. I purchased this stove cover, which also doubles as a tray from Amazon. And of course, it can be found in my Amazon storefront, conveniently linked below. And my store is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for your shopping convenience. This is another Amazon find. It's my olive oil dispenser. Oil can be poured or sprayed. So I'm adding a personal piece in this vignette. This coconut my parents brought back from Florida in 1976. Gotta have that acorn spice. Makes everything smell so nice. And back to Amazon I went for a set of new kitchen floor rugs. Thank you so much for joining me today for part 2 of my home decor series for the fall of 2024. I hope it brought you some inspiration and motivation as you begin to decorate or continue to decorate your home for the fall. As always, until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Videos are uploaded on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go to the next video.